In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record on Slack Huddle. Whether you're new to using Slack Huddles or looking to enhance your collaboration with colleagues, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to visit Slack's website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Slack website. This is the initial gateway to accessing all of Slack's powerful communication and collaboration tools. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. If you're already a registered user, the next step is straightforward. Click on the option to sign in with Google. This feature is extremely convenient as it allows you to bypass the traditional, often cumbersome login process. Plus, if you're using Google Workspace, syncing your Slack with Google streamlines your workflow, making it all the more efficient. Remember to ensure your Google account is linked to the email you use for Slack. This is crucial for a seamless sign-in process. Now that you've successfully signed into your account, you're going to navigate to your Slack dashboard. This is your central hub, your command center if you will, where all your channels and direct messages reside. From here, you'll be able to see and access all your workspaces and channels. It's essentially your base of operations within Slack. Next up, select the channel where you want to start a huddle. If you're unfamiliar, channels are where team conversations occur and information gets shared. By choosing a specific channel, you're setting the context for your huddle. Remember, selecting the right channel is vital because it determines who has access to the huddle and the recording that you'll soon be making. With the channel open, it's time to get to the recording part. Look for the option that says Record Video Clip. Clicking here will activate your camera and microphone, preparing you to record an important message for your team. It's always a good idea to ensure that your equipment, particularly the camera and microphone, are working properly before hitting record. You wouldn't want any technical issues to disrupt your recording or leave something important unheard. Now you're ready to start your recording. Take a deep breath, think about what you want to communicate, and when ready, hit that record button. It will capture your video and any accompanying audio, preserving a message that your team can refer back to at any time. Once finished recording, remember to save and share the clip with your team members. They can view it at their convenience, which is particularly useful for those working across different time zones or with varying schedules. That's it. You've successfully recorded on Slack Huddle. This process will enhance your remote working experience, making communication within your team much more effective and coordinated. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.